Those of us lucky enough to be based at CLA4 know that we're going to go up, down, left or right, or some combination. This is due to the various effects of the slope at the beginning of the runway, the trees, the hangar buildings, and just general turbulence around the airport. Even though there was almost no wind on this day, you always feel it. There are actually 3 windsocks, you just pick the one you like the best. We also get our fair share of wind shear. There was none today, just a little bit of left and right, up and down, towards the very close to the ground as I go between the trees. It doesn't look like much from the camera angle, but I can assure you in the cockpit it feels a whole lot more. So my personal observation is the shorter the runway, the worse the turbulence feels, and I think that's because we're painfully aware of the fact we have to stop before running off the end and ending up in Young Street, which would not be a good way to end a day's flying. So that's it, a complete non-event. I'm just going to let this one roll out as I taxi back to the hangar, given that John was prepared to stand out in the freezing cold wind and capture it.